Hey, what's up, people? I mean, look at this one. So, Moloi Sane could be going into Kaizer Chiefs, guys. I mean, I don't know if it's just another social media signing for Kaizer Chiefs or this is actually going to be happening just before the start of the next season, guys. So, tell me what you think about this one. Do you think this is actually going to happen, guys, or it's just another social media signing? As you've heard, guys, because it looks like Aiden McCarthy will be leaving Kaizer Chiefs because we just saw that he might be signed somewhere else, guys. So tell me what you think of these guys, because Kaizer Chiefs, they will be actually needing a defender to replace a player like Aiden McCarthy if he's actually going to leave, guys. So tell me what you think about this one, and make sure you follow me so that you don't miss out on these updates, guys. So I'll see you on the next one. This is A. Ciao, ciao.